Hello friend, in this video we are going to show you how you can translate your detected text into other language. So first of all, we are going to install this Pytesseract OCR and Tesseract OCR on Colab. So I will provide, so you can download this images so you can follow the tutorial. So let's start to install all the packages, necessary packages that required to set up this Pytesseract, and then we will download these images and let's set our code. So using this matplotlib text block, so using this text block, we are going to translate our one language to other language, and we are using this Pytesseract and semi-do. So here we defining this function, so easily we can display the image on Colab notebook, and here we defining some arguments. So here we defining this image. We are going to use this helpdesk.png. So here you can see this is the image we have in a collab folder. And what we are doing here is we are reading the image and converting into VGR to RGB, and we are displaying these images. And we are passing this image to string, so it will convert all the text present in the image into string. So basically it will detect the text and convert it into the string. So here we displaying this text. So here you can see it will detect it as a whole by government, right? Coronavirus self-text and number toll free to other language. In which language we have to translate, we have to pass this argument here, right? So it successfully translated this text into other language in Hindi actually. So here you can see or represented, yeah, toll free represented toll free. Hope guys you like this video. Please share, subscribe, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you guys.